to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new, I do all kinds of videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hauls, vlogs, all sorts of fun things. So if you're interested in all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. This is an exciting video for me. I was contacted by ZAFUL, Z-A-F-U-L, and they asked me if they could send me some clothing items that I pick out via their online website for me to try out and see if I'd be interested in doing a video review of their items. And so I went ahead and said yes. I went on their website. I did pick out 6 items, and I tried to do a variation of things just so I could kind of get a feel for if their accessories were any good, if their swimsuits were any good, if they're normal clothing items, sweaters, the quality, kind of like across the board, so I could get kind of a feel for overall how their quality is. Is it a good company? Is it a good option? Well, I went online, super easy to order. Their stuff is very inexpensive, but surprisingly high quality. You know, if you've been watching my channel, you've seen me do some reviews on some other companies that I wasn't too impressed with. And so I kind of thought this was going to be the same type of thing, same type of mediocre, you know, clothing, you know, wasn't going to be that impressed by it. But I thought I'd give it a try just to see. I told them I would give an honest review, and they were okay with that. But I'm pleasantly surprised, honestly. So everything came pretty quickly. I think it took a little over a week to 10 days or something to get the package, which is fine. Like I said, I went and picked everything out online, did like an order, and then they sent it to me. Everything came in these little like Ziploc type bags. So good quality. These bags, you know, are thick. They don't seem cheap. I can reuse them for other things. So I like that. A couple different sizes. And then we've got a couple like bigger ones here. So that right off the bat impressed me in terms of packaging. And I will link everything below because I don't have the names of everything. There's also some discounts, like if you spend $100, they'll give you a discount. But everything I bought was under $30. In fact, I think the only higher price item was a sweater, but everything else was like under $20. So really inexpensive. My favorite item are these pants. I'm not gonna sit here and say they're like the super high quality, but I think they are a good quality. Pretty much everything from what I've seen is made in China. So if that's an issue for you, you will not like these clothes because I pretty much think everything's made in China with this company. I've been looking for some pants like this, just some casual fun pants, and these are really cute. They're just like a flowy, you know, pant. They are a little shorter, so if you're tall, I don't think these are gonna work for you because they're kind of short on me, but I like that. I can wear them with some Gladiator sandals. You'll be able to see everything with me trying it on right here next to me. A lot of the stuff I just went outside and tried it on, so you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of each item. I kind of wore it to the side. I wore it, you know, tied in the middle. You can wear it without the belt. It's an elastic waist pant. Just real soft, flowy material, real simple stitching. So nothing too elaborate, but a decent quality, you know? So I was really impressed with these. I think you could wear it with a cute little white t-shirt, a black t-shirt. You could dress it up with some heels and a nice top. Maybe throw a blazer on if you wanted to. I think they're super cute. I think you could wear them through the fall. Probably a little too lightweight for winter though. So these are my favorite. And these pants I think were like $17, I want to say. Really inexpensive. So definitely worth the price. My second favorite item was this sweater, and I know we're not in sweater weather right now, but I needed to give it a try just to see if it was going to be like real cheaply made sweater, kind of like, you know, scruffy, rough type fibers. But this is very soft. Very impressed with this. This sweater was $27, I believe, approximately, and machine washable. But I just think it's just a really nice looking sweater, just knitted really, really well, super high quality. I really like it. I needed a gray sweater. Like I said, under $30. It's got some nice pockets here. You know, I don't think it's gonna snag easy. I think you could wear this just cozy. I think you could do it with some jeans, black jeans, some distressed jeans. I think it would look really cute with some booties. In the fall, I think this is just an awesome sweater. So I'm, again, really impressed with this. I would highly recommend the sweater and the quality of sweater and the knit. I think it looks really nice. I think the detail here with the neckline is different and pretty. So it doesn't feel cheap to me, but it is inexpensive. So I really do like this sweater. Okay, the next item is pretty much the only thing kind of that did not work out for me, and pretty much was my fault. I think I just bought the top a little too big. I highly recommend you do, if you are going to go to this website and order, is read reviews. There are a ton of reviews out there. Some things are going to run small, some things are going to run large. I tried really hard to read reviews, and I did pretty well with almost everything except for this bathing suit, which I'm really bummed about because I really like this, and I'm kind of debating to see if I can go get it altered. That's how committed I am to this suit. This suit I believe was $17, so really inexpensive. This is the top. Right here. Here's the back closure. It's a metal closure. As you can see, it's lined, and it does have some lining and some cushion there for the bra. So not cheaply made. Again, I like that it's kind of got a wider strap here. That's a little different for me. It is very low cut, but it is just too big here on the sides. This is a size large, and the reason I got a large is because a lot of times with these companies, these suits run really small, and so most of the time a large will work for me. But in this case, I think a medium, maybe even a small, would have been fine. It is adjustable here, but obviously not here, which is where I have the issue. So, but as you can see, it's got some nice metal adjustments there. So again, I just don't think it's cheaply made. I think it's a good fabric. There's some detail there on the material, which I think is nice. It has some nice darting here. So I think if it was the right size, it'd be really cute. The other reason I picked this suit is because of the high-waisted bottoms, which actually fit perfectly. I really like these. Again, lined in the front, not in the back. And I think these fit me really well. I don't think they're too cheeky. I don't think they show off too much of my butt. So I think full coverage for sure on these. But I really like them. And I might just, you know, if I can't get the top altered, I might just hold on to these and just wear it with a different color, you know, bikini top or something. So, but I'm really liking these. And a lot of these things, these suits especially, do come in a variety of different colors and everything like that, and tons of sizes are available. So definitely you guys need to check it out. I think for the price, you can't go wrong. If you've been watching my channel, and if you watched my Airy swimsuit haul, you know I've been looking for a one-piece suit that I really like. I kind of wanted white. There really wasn't a white one that I felt drawn to with ZAFUL, so I ended up ordering two one-piece black bathing suits, and I love them both. One I love more than the other one. And again, these are both under $20. Super good quality suit. Does not feel cheap to me. Has some nice detail right here, but doesn't show off too much of your boobs in this suit. So I really like it. Full coverage here on the side, and definitely full coverage on the bottom. So this one's my favorite black one piece. I think I'll be wearing this quite a bit. Again, it does have some adjustable straps back here in metal, so not plastic. Again, I'll be trying everything on right here next to me. I don't mean to offend anybody, so if I am with my try on, I apologize right now. But we do what we gotta do. So I definitely wanted you guys to get a feel for these suits. Okay, this one is a little, I love it and I love the way it looks, but it is a little bit more revealing, a little bit more cheeky, a little bit more high cut, a little open here. But I think this is really cute with the bow right there. Again, I think this was like $16, $17. It does have padding here as well, which is nice. So the only thing with the padding, it does kind of move around a little bit. It's the only thing that's maybe a little bit annoying, but they are removable, which is really nice, so you can opt for that. But I thought this bow here was really cute. Definitely full coverage in terms of the sides. But yeah, this one is one of those that's just a little more cheeky than I would like. So that's why I like the other one better. But I thought this was super cute. I got this, what size? A medium, US size 6. But I think if I would have gone large, it just would have been like, you know, saggy butt time, and I don't think it would have looked as cute. But let me know what you guys think of this one. Okay, so the last 2 items are accessories. I have been looking for a pair of like black kind of aviator type sunglasses, and so I ended up with these. They do not have a mirrored front. I don't believe they're polarized. These things were $6, you guys, so they are cheaper made. I'm not going to sit here and say they are anywhere near like a Ray-Ban quality or anything like that, but if you just want some disposable sunglasses that look cute, I think these are it. The only problem I have with these is that they do feel a little loose and a little big here. That they're made for a little wider face. That's the only complaint I have, because they do move around very easily. And I don't know if you can hear that, so you can kind of hear the little nose guards here kind of moving around. So these are a little more cheaply made, but for $6, I'm really not going to complain. I think they are still serve a purpose. Yeah, these are definitely probably a little too big for my face in terms of the side and the ears here. I mean, they just kind of like float a little bit. So not the best in terms of sizing, but I do like the shape. I like this bar across here. I think if they were to fit me right, I think the look is good. So again, if you just want some disposable sunglasses, maybe just wear one season, but that look cute, or that you just want to try out and see if the shape works for your face and how you like it, they're a good option. I just think they're probably just a little too big, a little flimsy for my size, face, and head apparently. So, but cute. The last item I got was a pair of earrings. I have been wanting a pair of earrings like this for a little while. I think these were like $4. I mean, super cheap. These are going to be probably like a, you know, one season and done type earring. I'm not going to sit here and say that they're super high quality, because they're not. A very simple earring. They're one of those like pass-through earrings. So you just put that through your ear and they just kind of hang. Now, I'll be honest, I wore them for probably like a half an hour, and I bent over and it fell out of my ear. But I think the style is so cute. I absolutely love these earrings. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this style. I just think it's very like dainty but cool and modern. I just think it's like a really, really cute earring, but definitely an inexpensive option. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit kinked. So I've been trying to just keep it in that little bag, but again, you know, what are you going to ask for like, you know, $3-4 earrings? I just think that they're kind of like a cute option, and I really wanted to try out this style, so I'm gonna give them another chance and wear them out. And I mean, they'll probably tarnish over time or whatever, but I was more impressed with the clothing than I was with the accessories. But still not bad. I mean, you guys just got to think of this price. It's just kind of crazy. Those are all the items that I got from ZAFUL. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you guys have tried ZAFUL. We want to all here build on this community. And if you've had a good experience, a bad experience, or whatever, leave me a message down below in the comment section so we can all see it. And if you have any questions for me, of course, I try and respond to every comment as much as possible. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.